Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A20s, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. Now to get started, you'll need to grab a SIM eject tool like this one, which should come provided with the device in the box. If you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now, once you have either one of those, you can pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the phone, or right over here where the pin is now holding. Push the pin in. As you can see, the tray will come out just ever so slightly enough for you to grab it, take it out. And on the tray, you have space for two different SIM cards and one SD card. Once you place the cards on the tray, make sure that they are laying flush on it, as you can see, and then carefully insert it back into your device. As you can see, it just gave me reception right here, and we already have a pop-up regarding my SD card. So both of the cards are working without a problem. Now, with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.